guys, Axel from Pedal Electric here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your crank arm. Whether you've had an accident, may have bent this arm here, or it's just come loose, I'm going to show you how to replace this. This does require a specialty tool, but it's fairly simple to do, and you can do it at home. To remove your crank arm screw here, you're going to need an 8mm Allen, and we're going to turn this clockwise. You will notice that the crank arm doesn't immediately remove itself, so you will need a crank puller tool. You can use the part tool CCP-22, and what you're going to do is thread the crank puller tool into the threads very carefully, because these are fine thread and very easily cross-threaded. You want to make sure that you thread it in until it stops. If you only have a couple of threads on here, you can pull the threads off, and then you're in a world of pain here. Installation is the removal process in reverse, minus the fact that you don't have to use the crank puller tool for the installation. Always install fasteners by hand first so that you can avoid cross-threading. That completes the removal and installation of the crank arm. Thank you for watching our how-to video. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, you go ahead and hit the link below and reach out to us directly at the tech support department.